In this video we take a look at brakes because let's face it, they are kind of a big deal. The brakes are not something that you can afford to skimp on because when the worst happens, you need to know that they are going to stop your vehicle quickly and safely. There are many products available to choose car brakes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car brakes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Power Stop K626836 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. This kit has been specially designed for trucks. Not just any trucks, however trucks that tow and/or haul. What we have here is drilled and slotted rotors with silver zinc plating to prevent corrosion. We have ceramic pads for outstanding stopping ability with no dust or noise. We even have high-temp lubricant bundled into the kit. When you tow or haul anything behind your vehicle, it is going to affect the braking performance. You have all that weight being towed, so when the vehicle brakes, that weight is pushing against a vehicle, pushing its momentum against a braking direction, and making stopping that much harder. What we like about it? Specially designed for trucks that tow haul. Drilled and slotted rotors. Extra stopping power. Complete kit including high-temp lube. Number 2. Power Stop K5828 Front and Rear Brake Kit. There are a number of very useful looking features and design points on this product from PowerStop. First, there is the disc rotor itself. It is both drilled and slotted to enable effective off-gassing and fast cooling. That is really going to help keep the operating temperature down and keep the brakes functioning at their optimum. The rotor discs also boast silver zinc plating to help prevent rust and corrosion, and as a side effect, they really make them look great and stay looking great. The kit also comes with brake pads that are of ceramic carbon fiber construction. They are of a dust-free construction and are also designed to minimize brake noise. The fact they achieve all of this without affecting stopping power is a testament to some excellent design and engineering by PowerStop. Overall, this is a really well-designed kit from PowerStop, who with this product are very much looking to live up to their name. What we like about it? Complete kit. Ceramic discs. Drilled and slotted rotor discs. Kit includes high-temperature lubricant. Number 3. Power Stop K6083 Front and Rear Evolution Brake Kit. This is our third entry from PowerStop, which really highlights its dominance of this sector of products. After a premium level brake kit and truck and towing specialized kit, just what is it coming to the market with here? Well, what we have here is more of an entry-level brake kit, making it a little bit cheaper than the other products from this company. Don't think that you're getting ripped off here, however, as this is still a great set of car brakes that are bristling with useful features. The standout features are the drilled and slotted rotor and the ceramic pads that combine for a brake system designed to provide plenty of bite with little dust and noise. This kit is designed to be a serious upgrade on your typical factory-installed car brakes that your vehicle rolled out the factory with. There are not quite the high-end details of the premium products, but you also stand to save quite a bit of cash by selecting this brake kit. What we like about it? Value for money, entry-level kit. Ceramic pads. Cross-drilled and slotted. Number 4. R1 Concepts Complete Brake Kit. If you drive a Jeep, then you know those rugged vehicles are packing more power and weight than a typical car. For that reason, R1 Concepts created this product specifically for Jeep vehicles. In the design you see a lot of the features that make up one of the best car brakes on the market. We have a rotor disc design with pre-drilled holes and a diamond slotted surface. This keeps the brakes cooler while giving those ceramic pads something to really get their figurative teeth into. If you drive a Jeep and want to install high-quality, bespoke designed brakes, then you should take a look at this offering. What we like about it? Jeep specialized product. Complete kit. Ceramic pads. Diamond slotted for extra pad bite. Number 5. Power Sport Cross-Drilled Brake Rotor and Ceramic Pads Full Kit. This is another complete kit, though it is missing some extras, such as a high-temperature lube. That does mean the price is a little lower, and you are still getting a new brake set that is crammed full of useful design points. The rotor discs are the eye-catching centerpiece. They are cross-drilled and slotted to allow excellent off-gassing and quick temperature cool-off, and also give the brake pads extra bite. Speaking of which, the pads are of ceramic construction, always a good feature if you are looking for everyday use brakes that won't be putting out clouds of brake dust or ear-shredding shrieks. They are all ready to be installed too with no modifications required, making this a very well-designed and economical brake kit that, while it is missing some of the bells and whistles of truly premium products, is great value for money. What we like about it: ceramic brake pads, cross-drilled and diamond-slotted rotors, simple installation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.